Hey guys, Toy Tester Tom here, and today we're doing another bucket challenge. We're bringing out a whole bunch of monster trucks, we're going to shoot them off this ramp, and we're going to try to fill up this bucket full of Monster Jam trucks. Now you see it's empty, so I'm not trying to trick you thinking it's almost full and we're just going to shoot a couple in there. We're going to bring a whole bunch out. A whole bunch out. This is a great Monster Jam backpack. It's a Gravedigger backpack. Pretty cool, eh? You've probably seen me show you this before. Pretty cool. But what's inside? Look at this. Tons of monster trucks. These are all my extras. All the ones that I already have. The doubles, the triples, the quadruples. Tons of great monster trucks in here. All the ones you love. All the ones you love to play with. So we're going to use these monster trucks one at a time to fill up this bucket. Alright, so here's how we're going to do it. We're just going to line up someone like Primeval. I'm going to put him there. I'm going to launch him. I'm going to keep trying until we get each one in the bucket and fill it up. So, let's just get going. Alright, we got two cameras going here. So we're going to just test it out with my favorite, Max D. Max D's awesome. And we're going to see how he can do, just to show you how it's done. Right in first time. That's what we're looking for. Perfect hit. So, here we go. Bulldozer. Gonna have to help him out a bit, I think. Oh, look at that. We'll count that in. Next, Primeval. Another heavy truck. Help him out too. Perfect shot. Full bore. Nice. Nice. Wild Thing. Looks like he's busted. Look at that. So he's playing hurt. Good thing I got another Wild Thing, but let's try him one more time. Shot right over top. We're just going to leave him on the ground because he's injured anyways. He's no good for racing. Next one. Backdraft. Nice shot. Pure Adrenaline. Nice. Blue Thunder. Oh, a little harder, a little harder. Well, 3 strikes are out. Virginia Giant, one of the early trucks. He can make it, that's for sure. Oh! Oh! Look at that. We're going to leave him on there, spinning around. I like that. Scarlet Bandit. Perfect. Titus. Beautiful, beautiful. Robots. Wow, we're starting to get a little full. See how many we can get in there, and then we'll count them. Chill Out. He's a heavy one. Flying right over top. Well, I guess I don't have to go so hard. Not hard enough? How about just right? There we go. There we go. Next we have the Broker. Nice. Lone Eagle. Right over top. One more time. Backwards. There he is, hooked on. Like it. Brutus. Oh. Nice job. Live Wire. Wow, one more time. All right, he's out. Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Beautiful. Looks like we can fit a few more yet. Fangora. Perfect. Not so perfect, took 3. Anger management. Oh, he's almost there. There, he made it. Gotta spin it around because we got a lot of room there. Keep him on because he made it. Let's see if we can fit a few more on there. Let's try Superman. Come on, Superman. Should be a breeze for you. No good. King Bling. Oh, he's so heavy. I gotta help him out again. One more try. I'm gonna cheat him up here. Watch, look at this. Right over top. Hot Wheels. Nice. Look how they're hooking on there. That's cool. I think we can fit 1 or 2 more. Jurassic Attack. Perfect. Power Forward. Nice. All right. Shocker. Got to make it over top of Power Forward there. And give him a little help. Too much help. There it is. Now, looks pretty full, but I'm going to bring out 2 more trucks. Why 2 more? Because that's what Monster Jam is all about. The 2 best trucks. And here they are. Max D and Gravedigger. Big rivalry from all the beginning all the way through. And we're going to put them up right on top of here. Right on top. Start down here. Going up. Here we go. Start with Gravedigger. Okay, Gravedigger, you got to find a place. Oh, looks like he's gonna have no problem get up there. There he is, look at that Gravedigger. Now there's no room, but Max D's gonna make it happen. Go Max D. Go Max D. Don't let me down, buddy, you're my favorite. Oh, he almost had it there. One more. Oh, gotta go backwards. That's how we're gonna do it. Watch this now. Come on, Max D. Tom Mentz, go. And there it is. Look at the wheels spinning. Look at them. Look at them. They're still going. Look. Now that's a bucket of Monster Jam. Look at that. Right there. Whole bucket of Monster Jam. quite amazing. Well, there we have it, guys. That was our Monster Jam Bucket Challenge. See how many Monster Jams we can get in a bucket. Turns out we got 22 in, but I've got hundreds of trucks, so maybe I need a bigger bucket next time. But anyways, pretty amazing. Great launcher from one of our sets, lots of our classic monster trucks, including our special guests Gravedigger and Max D. All these other guys did amazing too. And all in all, it was a great challenge. So thanks for joining me today, guys. We gotta thank Monster Jam and Hot Wheels and whoever made that cool bucket, because all together, it was a great challenge. Thanks again, and we look forward to more great toy testing and lots more challenges on Toy Tester Tom. Talk to you soon.